Welcome back to yet another episode in the GIS series. Before you think QGIS is some scary software used only by engineers in reflective jackets, relax. Today, I'm about to show you how this free tool can turn you into a mapping pro. QGIS stands for Quantum Geographic Information System. It's a free and open source GIS software used worldwide by planners, engineers, NGOs, researchers, GIS analysts, and many more. With QGIS, you can visualize, edit, analyze, and publish geospatial data without paying for expensive tools like ArcGIS. To download QGIS, open your browser, go to www.qgis.org, go to the downloads page and click download now. Choose your operating system, either Windows, Mac or Linux. For Windows, click the long-term release or LTR version. Run the installer. Click next until installation completes. Tip: always choose LTR for stability. Now, this is the QGIS interface. Let's learn the key components. The browser panel, which is located on the left, has the access files, datasets, PostGIS, OSM, and much more. The layers panel on the bottom left shows layers on their map and their order. You can easily move layers depending on which one you want to be on top of the other. The map canvas, located in the center, is where the map appears. To zoom in and out, just roll the cursor of your mouse, and to move or pan around the map, left click, hold and move wherever you want to go. It's as simple as that. In case you want to go back to the original size of your layer, simply go to the layers pane, right click on your layer and select zoom to layer. The toolbar located at the top has tools for zooming, selecting, editing, and many more. The processing toolbox, which is found on the right, contains analysis tools such as the buffer, clip, merge, and many others. In GIS, we represent real-world features using vector data. Points represent features such as schools, hospitals, boreholes, and different unique landmarks that are represented on the map. Lines represent roads, rivers, paths, and anything that looks like a line on a map. Polygons represent parcels of land, districts, lakes, and many others. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we'll jump into QGIS and add your first points, lines, and polygons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what place you want me to map next.